Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you a few gingerbread themed items I made for a coffee bar. This one is a pod holder, and I was really drawn to the gingerbread colors. This nutmeg spray paint is perfect, and the white puffy paint makes the perfect icing. My first project was inspired by Kristen Kay on YouTube. She made this cute little "Oh Snap" sign, simple. It was just a sign, but I wanted to take it one step further. So thank you, Kristen. What you'll need is one of these chalkboard house signs. I taped it off and painted it white, the wood part white. Then I used some of this vinyl paper, sticker paper, and I just cut some strips because, yes, you're right, I'm going to try to attempt to make a candy cane stripe along the edges of my frame. Now, I just kind of cut all the same width and just started placing them down. It didn't actually stick very well, so don't do what I do. I used polyacrylic to cover it all up to make it stick better, and it turned yellow, but I fix it later. Then I picked up this ornament from Old Time Pottery for $1.99, and I cut off its leg, and I found this "Oh Snap" image, and I just used the words in Cricut Design Space and manipulated it so that I would fit on the point of the house. Here you can see where my white started turning yellow. I also had this box. It's from Michael's from a few years ago. I liked it because it has a wide rim. I couldn't find it on the website, but this is the code if you want to look for this box. And see how thick the little ledge is? Oh, I spray painted it with that brown nutmeg. And then I used some wood glue, and I just put a small bead along one of the four sides, and then stood my sign up and held it for a while because wood glue takes a while to dry. And once it was secure, I glued in my cookie. And here you can see in the back, I didn't even have to reinforce it because of the width of the box. And then I took some of the puffy paint and I just kind of put some icing on the box. And I filled it. I happen to have an espresso machine, so I put a few pods in it. And then if you have a K-cup, it will hold a couple of those. Or if you just want to put in some creamers, there you go. They fit too. My next project was inspired by something I saw a crafty girl do on YouTube. She made some really cute little gingerbread houses using the Dollartree birdhouses. So I had to give a stab at that too. So here you can see I have my little house, and I also have a nutcracker. The nutcrackers were in a 2-pack from the Target dollar spot for $3 for 2. Not bad. And here's the Dollartree birdhouse. So, excuse me, I spray painted it with the nutmeg spray paint. And then I used the puffy paint to decorate it. I also spray painted of course, the nutcracker as well. And here it is in my little display. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our little projects. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. And as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.